We've had someone donate, help me say it right, Microscopes to the STEAM program here at Wilkinson.
We have Amy Weinberger, who is our generous funder for the microscopes.
I want you guys to be curious about your world, and when you can't see something with your eye, to be able to see something with a microscope because it makes it bigger.
And I thought, well, what can we do that would really have a long-term effect for learning inside the classroom? And that's how the microscope came about, because my friends, Dennis, he's the inventor.
I wanted to give them a microscope they could use on anything, anywhere, and they didn't need adult supervision for. I wanted them to be able to do it themselves.
We're looking at like these little seeds, and they look like small pellets of rocks. Yes, can I see?
What I love seeing is the kids just grab it and use it, and they're not afraid of breaking it, and they move it around and they pick it up. They'll be able to take it outside and go on field trips.
When you give from the heart. You're not looking for anything back. But today, we got everything back because of excitement, focus, curiosity.
And I wanted to make sure that you guys had tools so that your experimentation and your observation would go easier.
You know, if you were here, all you heard was the enormous clatter of people using microscopes. It was fantastic.
I absolutely love the energy of the kids. You can feel it here in this classroom as they move different things in and out underneath the lens. And it's just a great experience just to have a little unstructured time to discover. But what a great tool to put in the hands of our kids.